Hi everybody, welcome to Live with Children here at Bio 2022 in San Diego. It's day 2 and I'm delighted to join my good friends at LTS Lohmann Therapies, and I'm joined by Ray Pidding and Frank Thiervol from LTS Lohmann, and they're going to give me a quick overview of the business and also some of the different technologies they're talking to delegates about this week at Bio. So first of all, Ray, Frank, it's lovely to see you both. How are you?
Very good.
Excellent. And how has Bio gone for you so far? As we are now into the afternoon of day 2.
It's been great so far. Wonderful to be back in person, seeing familiar faces, meeting new people, seeing what has happened in the world since the last time we were at Bio. So really, really good conference so far.
Fantastic. Now, for those people not familiar with LTS Lohmann, can you give me a quick overview of the business?
Yeah, sure. So we are a contract development manufacturing organization, or a CDMO. We focus on alternative delivery forms, and I can go into that a little bit later. But we are a full service provider. So we work with partners who have some sort of interesting molecule that they would like to put either in a patch or a film. And we can go from conception to analytical R&D to process scale-up. We can provide clinical samples, commercial supply, primary and secondary packaging, all of the above. And so that's what we do. We have our parent company in Andernach, Germany. We also have our U.S. subsidiary in West Caldwell, New Jersey. There are about 1,100 of us altogether worldwide. We do have a business office in Shanghai, China as well. We have about 30 products, commercial with partners. And we would love to talk to you about, what your needs are. Going a little bit into some of the.
Let's talk about the transdermal systems that you've got. Tell me a bit more about this. For those people not familiar with what a therapeutic system is.
Yeah. So I mean. Yeah, in layman's term, it's a patch, which has a pharmaceutical on it. You apply it to your skin. That pharmaceutical gets absorbed by the skin, goes directly into the bloodstream. Those patches can be applied for anywhere between 1 to 7 days. And so it's an alternative to, say, a pill or an injection, longer lasting. So the PK profile is, and the side effects are much more manageable than your traditional oral forms.
And are there any particular types of drugs, medicines that is more suitable for?
Small molecules that are pretty stable, and definitely there is a weight limit. I don't have it off the top of my head, unfortunately, but we would be happy to discuss if you have a candidate in mind, and we can see if we are able to put it in a patch.
What about the oral thin films?
So the oral thin films, those are small polymeric films that you either put on the top of your tongue, under your tongue, or in your cheek, and those products will will dissolve in your mouth and be taken up through the mucosa, and they're faster acting than our transdermals, but both types of dosage forms, the advantage to them is that they both avoid the first pass effect, meaning when you swallow a pill, it goes first into your stomach and then into your liver, and so that could be related to some more severe side effects. So there's definitely advantages to taking your medicine either via a film or a patch.
Brilliant. Well, thank you for that overview. Now, Frank, you can come back into camera now. So there you go. Now, Frank, tell me more about microarray patches. First of all, what are they?
Microarray patches are really a kind of microstructured system. So I think, as May has pointed out, with the transdermal systems we have some limitations in the size. It's about 500 Dalton. We have the cutoff, then you cannot deliver about the skin anymore. But with the microstructured MAPs we are having here, we are able to address even customers which are offering biologicals, vaccines, whatever, so large molecules which you usually cannot use in transdermals or oral thin films. So that is our newest innovation, which allow us also to bring biologicals and vaccines into the human body via the skin as a barrier. And I mean, the skin is our core competence. Always we need to overcome the skin, either with transdermals, oral thin films, or the new microarray patches.
That's brilliant. Well, thank you for giving that overview. So, one question for you. Well, obviously, people are here, they can see the booth. So what is the booth number?
2347.
You can see you remember the booth number there. But if people cannot make it to the booth this week at Bio, where else can they meet LTS and what shows you see? So,
You can meet us on our homepage for sure, and I think we are present on several conferences.
Yeah, so we are definitely going to be at CPHI in Frankfurt this year. I will be at the Microneedle Array Patch conference in, I believe it's September, in Philadelphia. And also I'm going to be trying to go to the Partnerships of Drug Delivery conference. I believe that's in Boston in October.
Brilliant. Well, look, thank you for giving me that great overview, in fact, of different technologies. That was really interesting. Thank you for sharing that information. So there you go, viewers. If you're here at Bio this week in San Diego, come and check out the booth here in the hall. You can remind me that stand number again, I've already forgotten it.
2347.
2347. And you can learn more about the technology and meet the team here. And if you can't do that, then obviously there are lots of events. You can check out the LTS Lohmann website, which will have all their events on there for now and for future events as well. And also they're very active on LinkedIn these days, so you can check out the LinkedIn page and connect with LinkedIn. So thank you very much, May, Frank. It's lovely to meet you both. Good luck with the rest of the show. And viewers, thank you for watching. Until next time, as always, stay well and stay safe. Bye-bye.